What's going on, people? How we all doing? How we all doing? Welcome back. We at another trading day. We made it another day, baby. Sorry for the 1 minute delay. Was in the middle of a trade. Took a short right up there. Started off the day 1-0, but not bad, not bad. A little scalp. How we all doing today? How we all doing? On a Tuesday, October 10th. Gotta update the little scalp counter. Alright, but in the overnight, very sideways. Definitely playing this range. So what do we do at the range? We sell high and we buy low. We look for a breakout at the top of the range. As soon as we see a break of structure, an attempt at a new high, nice bearish bar like we have right there, that's our signal to go short. And in healthy range like we have right now, we like to see prices go from the highs to the lows, back to the highs, back to the lows. So that's what I'm looking for. Howdy Bill, Mr. Eric. Definitely getting a little sideways right here. A little sideways action at the top of the range, which is common. It's just an area of a little confusion, because there's going to be a lot of short sellers, a lot of people trying to do exactly what we just did, work above this level. Now we did. Now it's time to look for a failure of this breakout. We had this leg working up. We had the break. We had the new high. A lot of factors playing in our favor for a nice short setup right here. Let's see how this bar finishes. I'm going to put my sell order one tick below the signal bar. Now I'm going to use this next bar printing as my signal bar. Kalin, how are you doing? Let's get our order ready. Toad Man, welcome back. The eye of the toad. You took a second entry long. Nice. Shoot, I missed my entry. Alright, I'm in it. Alright, I'm looking to go short. Can we do it? Got some volatility right now. A lot of movement quickly. Might be getting a lower high right here. I'm looking for prices to work back down into this range. And there we go. Hey, I appreciate that, Mr. Kalin. YouTube recommended you? Or YouTube recommended me? Hell yeah. That's what I like to hear. Let's hop on this live stream and journey together. Mr. Kalin, how long have you been trading for? Yourself. All right, so now the move is really working down. That's why it does pay off to have a runner. This challenge, we're only doing scalps, no runners, but honestly, this might lead to a nice move down. But once again, what I saw in that trade, we had a nice trend working up. We had the break of the structure. We had a move to a new extreme. We had a move to a new extreme. Nice bearish signal bar signaling the price action might flip, combined with the fact that we already broke out the highs of the range. I'm gonna take that short all day. Let's see if we keep working lower here. You're super new? How new? How new? How new is super new? Your second entry long. Yeah, this second entry long right here. Not a bad setup. It's just a little risky taking that at the highs of the range. I saw this trade in real time too, but it's a little bit risky because of that. You never know if we're really gonna have that second push up. We could have just went down and trapped the longs right here, but ended up working out, and then we started going lower. Okay, we're getting another quick move down. Close right at the EMA, a little risky once again. But it's tough to tell. I'm gonna wait for a lower high. If we get a lower high here, if we break above the previous bar, start reversing, then I'm gonna look to go short. I think we're 35-9 route now, right? Did I update the scalp counter? Or not yet? Yeah, we're 35-9. Like a baby new? Have you traded at all, or are you just studying the charts at the moment? Have you done any actual trading? Okay, here we're getting a nice lower high. Let's see how this bar closes. Let's see how this bar closes. If we break below, I'm gonna go short. If we break below, I'm gonna go short. Okay, we triggered. There we go. Nice. In and out. We in and out. That's how we do it. A lot of people, they don't like range days, but I like range days. If you got a handle on what's going on and you have experience in these trading days, I mean, it doesn't get much clearer than a healthy range. And what I'm seeing now is that we've been going from the lows to the highs consistently. We've had a ton of rejection at the highs of the range. So as soon as I get my entry, my lower high, my bearish bar below the EMA, I'm confident that we're going to go down. Like a baby new. You're still learning? Okay. Have you found a specific trading method that you like, or still searching on that end as well? I'll be back in 2 seconds. What do you think? Is the red light better or the normal light? It's tough to tell. Tough to tell. I kind of like the red light. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Like this? Or like this? I'm gonna keep it like this for now. Keep the vibes going for a little bit. Alright, Sharpayon. Sharpayon says red. The red Sharpie. Douglas. Good to see you too, man. How you doing? Alright, so we're 3-0 for the day. First 13 minutes of the market opening. Not bad, not bad. Honestly, it wouldn't be a bad idea just to step out for the day. But we gotta give the people what we want, don't they? You know, if to scalping or swing, and you kind of like the idea of quick entry or exits. Yep. I mean, that's what we're doing right now. We're scalping for 1 point, using price action, and the only indicator we have is the 21-day EMA. And once you really study the charts and become a proficient chart reader, then the next battle is just tackling the psychological side of things. But once you find a method that you think or has been profitable for other people, then is when you want to hone in on that, develop your chart reading skills, and if you're in it for the long term, that's the only way. That's the only way to succeed in this game. Meme world. You should look at the 10,000 tick chart to look at overall trend and two-legged pullbacks. I mean, I've done everything, my man. I've been doing this for like 3 years now. I've had 5,000, 10,000 tick charts to my side. I've used Bookmap. I've used a lot of different things. And for me, just sticking to the basics is all I need, honestly. It's easy to overcomplicate things and then overthink. Definitely it can help in some instances. I just prefer having one chart. I mean, it's definitely good to reference, but because the 2000 tick chart is a lower amount of ticks, it just is going to give you more detail. It's going to give you more detail than the 10,000, than the 5,000. Obviously, those might give you certain key levels, but when it comes to the specificity, 2000 tick chart is my bread and butter. Student Nguyen, Kalin, you should learn from free videos, Thomas Wade, and then watch Mumu trade live to get some market experience. Yeah, not a bad idea. I'm gonna start posting some more videos outside of the live too. I wanted to yesterday, but I had a couple things come up. But I'm gonna do some more chart analysis post market as well. So watch out for that. Bill, always with the compliments. I appreciate it. But there's one thing we're missing right now. It's sad to see, really. 3 likes? 3 likes, guys? Man. Thought it was more appreciated than that. It's alright. Let's like it up, baby. Let's like it up. Alright, interesting spot again. Bearish bar at the high of the range, but the fact that we didn't work lower is just giving me some hesitation. I don't know if this is a nice entry point right here to go short. Yeah, 1 second, meme world. 1 second. So, yeah, I mean, if you're just looking for a pattern, here's the textbook 2-legged pullback, right? You have 1 leg up, 2 legs up, you're at the high of the range, you have a nice bearish signal bar, but it looks like, I mean, it might work out, but if it gets trapped, it's because of the market context. Like, if we were in what is supposed to be a healthy range, we would have already went down to the lows after these 2 pushes up. It looks like the scalp did work out, but just that's why I didn't take that short setup, because we haven't gone down when I thought we already should have. But it is another touch at this area. Let's take a look at the account progress. We had a down day yesterday. But looks like today we're gonna make up a little bit. All right. So here it is. The 2 Apex accounts we're trading right now. I mean, 288 profit today with the commissions, but the peak on the first account was 52K. So we're about 600 down from that. Next account, we're also about 600 down. So we gotta grow these to 53. That's the goal. 53. We're at 51.4, 51.1. 53 is coming. Just wait. Just wait. It's coming. But yeah, this scalp, I mean, this worked out. Worked out. But the fact that I'm already 3-0, it's just like, I'm going through my head. Is it really worth it to take another trade? If the perfect setup shows itself, then I might consider it. And yeah, this is what I was saying. Like, if it was a healthy range, consistent range, we should have already came to the lows. We're really just forming a range within a range. But I'm just wary to take any shorts at the moment because, like I said, we haven't gone to the lows. Let's see what the target might be. I mean, we're already above the highs from yesterday. We might just be trying to target the highs of the overnight. I might consider a short here now. Let's see how this bar finishes. Let's see what we got. What do you mean? What do you mean prop firms are fake? So I'm using this whole challenge right now. I'm using evaluation accounts. Once I get to 3,000, then I can convert them to performance accounts, which are live. But yeah, the evaluation accounts are essentially sims. They're essentially sim trading. Yeah, so definitely looks like we're attempting to reach the highs of the overnight. We have a few more points to go, but a lot of short sellers are trapped right now. But exactly what I was warning. So the fact that we didn't work lower after we had a few touches at this area just gave me a little hesitation to go short. And even though most breakouts of ranges fail, doesn't mean all breakouts of ranges fail. That's what I'm saying, meme world. That's what I'm saying. The 10,000 tick chart, it can help, but also it might not help. Like, yeah, that's why I added on to my trade. That's why I added on to my trade. Yesterday I took 2 losing trades back to back. They looked like to be great entries, but the one thing I didn't ignore is the detail of the 2,000 tick chart. And the 2,000 tick chart showed us. Take a look. Let's take a look where it was. It was right here. It was right here. So, two-legged pullback. We had the new low. We had 1, 2 pullback. So, new low. First attempt to go lower. Second attempt to go lower at the EMA. Everything was pointing down except you gotta... I mean, if you are gonna get granular with it, we had this little thin uptrend. Now, you might be thinking, okay, how are you supposed to spot that? And, I mean, I didn't spot it in real time. But another thing that I should have spotted, and that I did spot and then changed my mind after, was this was the real clear sign that we weren't going to continue going down, was that we had this concise little downtrend, we had the break, and we had the exhaustion move down. When you see vertical move like this, it really means it's an exhaustion move, and we should start looking for trades in the other direction. And I was explaining that even before I took the trade, still took the trade, still forced it, and got trapped, like a lot of other people did. It happens, though. It happens. All right, guys. We're at 930 subscribers. How are we gonna get to 1,000? How are we gonna get to 1,000 today? I'm talking about today. We gotta find a way to blow this channel up. We gotta manifest it right now. Let's get 100 viewers in here. Everyone, go message in your Discords, message the other live streamers, go in their chats. Say, hey, Mumu Trades isn't here to play. He's here to take over. Go join the stream. Alright, I'm still waiting for us to take out these highs. 1,000. How are we gonna do it, Kalin? Help me out, man. Is there a possible wider uptrend like this? That's what I'm thinking. It's possible. It's possible. I'm definitely not so sure we're going down. We've been in the upper side of this range. And another thing to keep in mind, from the lows of the day to the highs, it's no way. It's only 15 points. Whenever you see a 15-point range, it means that there's a bigger range at play. We're not going to see just 15 points and that's going to be the whole swing of the day. So second entry long right here. Signal bar wasn't amazing. It did close right near its highs. But tough spot. I mean, we're very sideways right now. I think we're probably going up, though. If I had to guess, I would say we're going to keep working up. Take out the overnight highs. But very sideways, at least in the last couple minutes. But second entry long right here. Not a terrible trade. Not a terrible trade. Should I take it? I'm debating. We'd have to come take out these highs for the scalp to work out. I'm trading ES futures. ES futures. Okay, and there we go. There we work higher. As we were predicting. Honestly, might be a bigger uptrend at play. I mean, last couple days we've had significant pullback after just so many red days in a row. Yeah, we got one more tick, and there we go. All right, so here we have the breakout. So going back to what I was saying, in the ranges, when you are playing a healthy range, you can't just look at the patterns and base everything on the patterns. You have to also analyze what the prices are telling you. You have to analyze it like a language. So, like, let's take a look at this trade that I took here. Ideally, in a range, if you took a short setup here, failed breakout at the top of the range, you want to see prices go all the way down to the bottom. We went down here below the EMA, we failed. We had another attempt to go lower, it failed. We had the third attempt to go lower, and then eventually we just kept working higher. So there we go. Yeah, if you went long here, second entry long, bang, you'd have a nice runner going in right now. But this is also what I'm talking about, an exhaustion move. When you see a strong move up like this, that's not sustainable. Definitely not sustainable. So we're going to have a pullback at some point soon to the EMA. So honestly, I did this yesterday. I picked the bottom after this quick move down. I actually went long here and it led to a huge move up. So let's see what happens here. Soon we're probably going to get a nice bearish bar, reversal type bar, and then we'll come back to the EMA. Might be worth it, honestly. But you never know when you're going to have a first attempt to go lower, like after this bar, and then we might make a second attempt to go higher and then work lower. So that's why these trades are always risky. But I mean, we have like 5 points to the EMA. Usually we stay pretty close to the EMA. 21-day EMA. Okay, and here it looks like we're going lower. This is also what I was talking about. Usually, when there's a quick move up, followed by what looks like to be a reversal, we might first trap all the people who went short up here on the first attempt, and then we might push lower, back to the EMA. So let's see if we push above this 87.25, take out some stops, and then go lower. Or if we just have a lower high here and go lower without taking out these stops. Okay, but here we're trying to take him out, So all the smart traders are waiting to see if we do indeed go above this 87.25. We need one more tick. And there we go. So that's why picking these tops are risky, because of what we just saw. But now I might be tempted to sneak in a little low risk scalp if we reverse quickly. Definitely very risky. But the fact that we are very far away from the EMA gives us a little bit better chance to get in and out of a scalp. I'm gonna stay out of it though. I'm gonna stay out of it. Not worth the risk, really. I mean, how many points of a risk would it be? 2-point risk, not bad. But now it doesn't really look like an exhaustion move. It looks like we are having a pretty strong move up. So we might be in for a nice green day. We'll see. We'll see what this uptrend has in store for us. What we also might have is... Yeah, that is exactly what I was thinking. So, if we notice what I just did, the previous range that I had drawn is now the midline of the entirety of the price action that we have. So, it might be that we're at the top of a potential range. So we'll keep an eye out for that. I'm gonna sneak in on a short right here. Let's see. Can we get it? Can we get a point out of this? Or are we gonna get trapped? Probably shouldn't have done that. But that's what I was saying. Risky trade, bad trade. That's what happens when you're on these eval accounts. You want to take trades that are a little more risky, but that didn't follow my rules. Not a high probability setup. Got punished. Bad trade. Bad trade right there. But here, it's possible that we'd start working down. So we'll see. Triple top. Room to the EMA. Man, why did I take this trade? Why did I take this trade after I said it's a risky one? It's all your fault. All your fault, guys. We need... That's true, D'Angelo. Where's my man Johnny Soko? Where's my man Johnny? I don't know why I picked that top. Same thing as yesterday. Said all the reasons why it's a risky trade. Said all the reasons why I shouldn't take it, and then still took it. Oh, he's lurking. I knew he was in here. I knew he was in here. But yeah, that's why these evaluation accounts can be tricky, because they're low risk. You didn't put a lot of money into them. You feel like it's not real. And you get punished for taking a risky trade. As you should. As I should. $4,399 is potential upside. If we break below here, I'm gonna look to go short. There we go. Can we get a scalp? Can we do it? I mean, bar's very stacked. Another risky trade, man. Honestly, bad trade right here again, even though we're in it. Still risky, still no reason to try to short the market. Definitely trying to jump the gun a little bit. I'm gonna try to get out. I'm gonna try to get out. Very congestive, it's true. It's true. Yeah, definitely looks like we're working up. Trying to make up for that last loss. That's the revenge trade that you see right there. Oh my goodness, what am I doing? I knew right after I entered it I shouldn't have. Revenge trade. I know, man. Not good, not good. Probably have a wider trend like this too. Yeah, I mean we're clearly working up. I don't know why I'm trying to take counter trend trades. That's why you don't take counter trend trades. The trend is your friend. Remember that. The trend is your friend. Don't disrespect the trend. I just did twice. Yeah, I feel you, Johnny. I feel you. But start off the day 3-0. Should have just stopped right there. That's true. That's true. Yeah. Exactly. You don't want to take a counter trend trade unless there's clear signs for a reversal. But yeah, I mean, it looks like we're starting a healthy trend. Could be in for a nice green day. What's up, Tejon? It's 2000 tick chart. ES futures 2000 tick chart. So not time based chart, it's a tick based chart. Every 2000 transactions and new candle prints on the chart. I'm pissed at myself. I'm pissed at myself for freaking taking those two bad trades. I knew I shouldn't have taken them. But it happens, it happens. Yeah, these are ticks remaining here. So, I mean, every time it gets to 0 new bar prints, and then, I mean, here we also have the actual time of day. All right, yeah, we're going up. We're going up. Honestly, when you see sideways bars like this after a nice move up, it usually means that people are trying to just force the market down and they're getting trapped, and that's exactly what we did twice. That's why you don't want to train bad habits. Honestly, yesterday the fact that I did pick that bottom and got rewarded for it, it was worse than if I got trapped, because then I learned from a bad habit instead of actually being shown what I should have. Should have been smacked with a losing trade. But I got bailed out. Today, didn't get bailed out. Now at this point, I wanna hop in a long trade. Okay, are we gonna have an opportunity to get on this movement going up? I hope so. I'm looking for a pullback at the EMA. Clearly, this trend line is intact, this trend channel. So if we get pull back to the EMA, nice bullish bar, 2 legs down, that's the setup I want to look for. $43.95 is an important level on the 4-hour chart. $43.95, where we're at right now. Okay. I mean, I think we're just probably going to the psychological level 4,400. That's my target. I mean, yeah, I see low of 818, 43.99. So definitely another area to look for, but I mean, anything right around 4,400, we got to keep an eye out for. I mean, haven't noticed any slippage yet. Besides a couple trades, one of the trades today actually we got a little bit of slippage, but other than that, it's been pretty good. Yeah, micros probably you get a little more slippage compared to the e-minis. Yeah, less liquid for sure. But going back to this long setup right here, this two-legged pullback, you might still be in a runner if you went long right around 43.78, 43.79. You might still be in the trade. Yeah, I'm wondering the same thing, Johnny. But I mean, Apex has got to just base it off of what's actually happening in the market when they're giving you some slippage. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't know how it works exactly, Johnny, but I don't know. Maybe I'm thinking live accounts might have more slippage than the than the sim accounts. All right, let's see. Let's see what we got, man. So, similar situation to what we had here. We had a lot of sideways bars after a move up, a lot of attempts to go lower that looked not bad, and ended up just working higher. Here we didn't quite take out this low. I want to see us take out a significant low and then work higher. Because here we're just, I mean, we're just still very sideways. But potential to just work higher right now after we came back, tested the EMA. Double bottom. But let's see. Do we take out these stops again? Trap all the shorts who went short after this bearish looking bar? Let's see. Let's see. All right, so very, very slow, choppy movement after we had some nice volatility earlier. Nice volume. Man, I'm pissed I didn't stay 3-0 for the day. Man, 3-0 is so much better than having two losing trades for no reason. Look at this. Look at this sideways action. How big is this little mini range? 3 points? 3-point mini range? We all love that. We all love a 3-point mini range. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14. 14 bars stacked. That's beautiful. That's very beautiful. All right, and we trap some more. I'm gonna go long right here on a higher low off of this little trend channel. All right, if we break above this bar, I'm gonna look to go long. All right, we're in the trade. I'm gonna go for a 1-point scalp. Can we do it? Make up a little bit of those losses we had. All right, not bad, not bad. So what I saw here, I mean, you got to trust the trend channels. If you're drawing trend channels, you're working with price action. Use them to your advantage. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This was the 6th confirmation. I mean, very, very clear uptrend. And that's why it worked out. Could have went for 2 points. Could have kept a runner going. Maybe I should have. Yup, Colleen. But now I gotta make up all the losses. Which is never fun. Never fun feeling to be 3-0 in the green, then go in the red, then try to work back to break even. Yeah, sometimes happens. That's why I used to use limit orders. It's only for this challenge that I've been using market orders. But you definitely will miss a lot of trades using limit orders. I mean, you'll save a couple ticks using limit orders, but you're gonna miss some trades. So there's a big trade-off. All the best trades usually don't come back and allow you to get filled on limit order. They just go in an instant. So that's why it might be smart to use a mix of both market and limit orders depending on how confident you are in the trade, or just stick to one and be confident in your option. There's definitely advantages and disadvantages to both market orders and limit orders. Obviously, the advantages of market orders are that you get in on the quick moves and you don't risk missing trades that you see that are great setups, but you might have some slippage and you'll miss out on a couple ticks. Whereas if you are using a limit order, you can enter in a little bit of a better spot compared to using a market order, but you're gonna miss some trades 100%. I gotta wear my lucky white shirt. You're right about that. You're right about that. Maybe I should. Think we're enticing more shorts to sweep them out when that old daily high is now through. All right, I mean, we got to 43.99. I'm not certain we're just gonna reverse here. I still think we can push up. I'm not doubting this uptrend anymore after I already got burned twice. I'm gonna look for a long. If we come back to the EMA again. Yeah, exactly, Nguyen. I used to only use limit orders, but I missed a lot of trades. Like almost every day there would be a great setup that you just miss out on because you're using a limit instead of a market order. I mean, that's what happens, Rev. That's why we have all these sideways bars, because there are a lot of traders out there thinking it's time to work lower. When in reality, the smart traders are saying, all right, we had to move up. Why? Why do we need to go lower? No reason. All right, we're going to get a second entry long right here. Off of the EMA once again. I'm not doubting this uptrend. This is the setup we look for. 2 legs down. 1 attempt to go higher. We're having that second attempt now. Are we going to get filled? Are we going to get filled? Man, we missed the trade. We tried to use the market order. Are we going to get filled? Come on. All right, there we go. Do I keep 1 contract as a runner? Maybe. I'm going to keep 1 contract. Let's see if we work above this level. Maybe I should, maybe I shouldn't. If we break above this level, I think we could be in for a nice little move up. We need 1 more tick. 1 more tick. I'm gonna move the stop to break even. So let's see. Let's see. Can we get a runner here? Wow, that's some BS. Only 1 of our accounts got filled? Wow. I'm gonna go out right there. I guess what is happening right now? We're still in the trade? 1 second. I gotta take care of this. All right, where are we at? What happened right here? Man, 1 account, 1 account got filled, 1 didn't. Wow. Hate to see that, but it happens. Let's see which account got filled. Okay, so 1 account now is over 500 below the other one. Of course that happens. The one time we don't get filled after we had a speech about getting filled versus not filled with the limit orders. Of course. I know, I could have kept the runner going. It's all good though. We might, I mean, I went in and out for like 4 points, 4.5 points. I mean, what happened? Let's see. $97.50 to... No, only 3 points. Well, I had to take it out because it wasn't showing on my screen. I had to go to the orders tab and I just flattened everything because I didn't want to be in that position. What's up, Mahir? How you doing? Mahir? You had your office meeting. Now it's time for trading. Post meeting trading. So if I did keep my runner, I would just trail it right here. I would trail it 1 tick below this signal bar. Now we're working up. I wish I kept my runner in. I would have if both my accounts freaking got filled. That's how it goes, though. It's all right. Gotta make that money back now. Or distracted in meeting trading. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I mean we're working higher. We're working higher. I wish I kept that runner in. Man. These are the days, these are the entries where you see a strong trend. Don't doubt the trend. If you want to put a runner in, let it ride. And if you make some money, you make some money. If you don't, you get out for break even. Yeah, exactly. At this point, just go long. Don't overcomplicate it. Yeah, we're still working higher. So now, if I had my runner again, I would just trail it at this swing high or swing low. So it would have been basically right where I got out anyway. 66 ticks. I gotta be kind to myself. Nah, I gotta be freaking tough on myself. If you're kind to yourself in these markets, you're gonna get smacked around. You gotta be freaking hard on yourself like any other top athlete in the world, top musician in the world. If you wanna be the best, you gotta treat yourself like the best, and you gotta freaking earn it. But then you still gotta calm the mind down and still be calm, cool, collected when you need to be. But then you gotta freaking be hyped up when you also need to be. You gotta be a mix of everything. Control those emotions. Notice what I'm doing right now. I'm going freaking angry berserk, but then I can also switch it to being calm and relaxed. Which is usually the better option when you're day trading. But it's okay to freaking get angry because I can learn from my mistakes. But then I can also learn from my wins and then study the charts and do better. Goggins style, baby. Freaking Goggins got nothing on me. I eat Goggins for breakfast. I'll race Goggins and I'll actually beat him. He's not fast, but he knows how to freaking go long. He knows how to... He just can freaking push himself. I gotta clip that. I gotta clip that. Make a little short out of that. Goggins. Call me Goggins Trader. Goggins Trades. Moo Trades, baby. That's how we do it. Who's gonna carry the boats? Who's gonna carry the boats, Thomas? I'ma carry the boats. Now, honestly, man, I'm just pissed that only one of our accounts got filled. That's another tricky thing about using market orders, is that when the bar closes quickly, and you try to place your order one tick above where the bar closes, a lot of times when you click, on your entry, you don't get filled because the price is already at that point. So then you got to fumble a little bit. That's why, I mean, I don't have a lot of experience using market orders. That's why I've been putting one market order, one limit order, so that if I have time, then I'll place my market order above the signal bar. If I don't, I'll get rid of it and then enter with a limit order. Sup, Tomas? How you doing? How you doing? Mr. Tomas. The Frenchman. That's what we like to see, Thomas. 2-0. Nice. Nice. We've taken a lot of trades today. How many? We've taken 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're 5-2. 5-2. Should be 5-0. Took 2 bad trades. Okay, I'm gonna place a market order right above there. It might be time for a break of this trend, a little bit sideways, a little calming action after such a big move up. It was like a 30-point move. I mean, not crazy, nothing like we've never seen before, but I mean, still significant move. But I mean, if we get another 2-legged pullback, I'm gonna look to hop in once again. No reason to once again, no reason to start doubting the trend now. I mean, we had a slight break. But it's also 2 clear legs down. Depending on how this bar finishes, we'll see. I don't think it's gonna finish very bullish. It doesn't look like it, but we might push up. Yeah. Close on the low. All good, man. Good to see you in here. We're saying we gotta make the stream get 100 viewers right now. We're at 35. We gotta freaking blow it up. Everyone go to whatever Discord, whatever other YouTubers say Mumu Trades boxing match, trader boxing match right now. If we get 100 viewers right now, I'm challenging any other YouTube live streamer. There we go. We're getting a little crazy today. I wish our second account got filled. We got, once again, one account, 400 profit after commissions, one only 100. We got one at 51.5, one just under 51. We got to get to 53K. We got to get to 53K. Can we do it? Can we do it? Goggin style trading, baby. Every losing trade, I'm gonna start doing 10 push-ups. You thought I'd only do 10 push-ups? You thought I would only do 10 push-ups after a losing trade? 100 push-ups after every losing trade. That's how we're gonna freaking nail it into our brains, baby. Yep. You got it, Mahir. That's why the risk management is key, because I had one losing trade that was like 5 points. That's really 2 losing trades in one. Ideally, I'd be up to like 80, at least 85% win rate. But I mean, what do you mean the account hasn't moved, Mahir? I mean, 1,500. in the account where we actually got filled, we're up 1,500 in 12 trading days. I mean, that's honestly, I gotta tell you, Mahia, that's the wrong mindset to have, that the account hasn't moved. We're up 1,500. We're up 1,500. That's how much? Over 100 a day? That's, I mean, the whole point of this challenge is to show that you don't have to make a lot of money every single day. Just short wins, short wins, short wins. Build it up, build it up. So 12 days, we're up 1,500. It's not bad. Still not bad. Even though we had some bad losing trades. Even with that. Oh yeah, I am very aggressive. I am very aggressive for sure. That's what I'm saying. Even with the bad trades where I was too aggressive, still up 1,500. I'm just saying the account has moved. You said the account hasn't moved. It has moved. Hasn't moved as fast as I would hope, but it still moved. I mean, satisfied wouldn't be the word. I'm not angry. I'm just so about it. I'm so about it. Don't take it so hard. No, I'm not taking it hard. I think you're taking it hard. I'm not taking it hard at all. What's up, FX Aaron the GOAT? You tried opening account Trade of 8, but they keep on asking to upload documents. What should I do? Please help me. I don't use Trade of 8, to be honest with you. Are you using Apex? Apex with Trade of 8? I would just use Rhythmic if I were you. I would just switch to Rhythmic. That's what I use. I have no experience with Trade of 8, unfortunately. I wish I did. I wish I did. But Mahir, if I did sound like I was taking it hard, no, I just meant that the whole point of this challenge is to show that your mindset, or any trader's mindset going into trading, shouldn't be to grow from $1,000 to $100,000 within a couple of weeks. Like, if you're a trader and you want to be successful in it, you have to be content with small wins every day. If you're not okay with $100 wins every day, then at least at the start, then honestly, like, it's gonna be a long journey. I know. We're playing a little with each other. You know how it is. $50 a day, there you go. But for a lot of people out there, myself included, I'm speaking from experience. When I started day trading, I literally had watched videos. I mean, I'd watched videos for a long time, but I literally didn't do any sim trading. I put $10,000 into an account. Didn't know what the hell I was doing. Immediately started trading with 5 contracts. You can imagine what happened to that money. What's up, Lawrence? I appreciate it. Live streaming isn't easy. It's true. But it's fun. It's a good time. What's up, Tejan? Cut a piece of the move off the top. Use a stop limit order, and only one of your 20 accounts got filled. Yeah, it happens. It's because it was a limit order. Same thing happened to me here. Only one of my accounts got filled because I used the limit order. So sometimes both won't get filled, even if you're using the trade copier. Oh, you have to flatten it from the actual NinjaTrader platform. What I did, you can go to positions in NinjaTrader. When you go to the positions tab, that's when you can flatten it. If it didn't work, then I guess it didn't work. You're Indian, FX Aaron? Why? Does Rhythmic not work for India? Replicanto has a flatten button. I still gotta update my Replicanto. I got a discount code Mumu20 if anyone wants to use it. But yeah, if someone out there wants to use a trade copier to trade multiple accounts, I would definitely recommend the Replicanto because they're constantly updating their software. I got a link in my description. Get you a little discount code. There's some restrictions too, but can you recommend some brokers? I've mastered my risk technicals and all the mindset and psychology, but no good brokers. Well, who do you trade with right now? Are you trading with your own money or are you trading with a prop firm? What, like, who are you trading with right now? What's up? If you guys are a new viewer to this channel, I see you in there. I see the viewers slightly going up. Let me know in the chat. Let me know who you are, where you're at in this journey. Welcome to the Apex Challenge, where I'm showing you can grow a small account. You can grow a small account, small wins, small wins. That's what it's about. All right. Can we get another entry? Can we get another entry? I see you, Colleen. I see you. But I saw some other people too. I saw some other people in the in the chat. Oh, you're using demo? You're using a demo? I mean, I've been trading with Apex. I like Apex, so if if you want to get started, if you're just using a demo, I would recommend just starting with one account. That's what I'm doing in this challenge. I got two $50,000 accounts. Each one with a discount was like $30, $33. It's not going to be that low. Now there's 71% off. That was with 80% off. But low risk. You don't have to trade with your own money. And so Foster, your starting capital, you start with 50,000 and your profit target is 3,000. So if you grow from 50 to 53,000, then you can convert the evaluation account to a paid performance account. Yeah, I know how it is, Tejan. Sometimes you can't get out of a trade. You think you're doing it right, it malfunctions, but then you get bailed out. You're still at least in the green a little bit. Sometimes it happens the other way, where you try to flatten a trade and then you end up flattening in the red. All right, appreciate it. Try it out, Aaron. But you're only allowed to try it if you use my discount code. You got to help me out. You got to help me out, man. I get a little bit of a kickback. Nothing crazy, but couple bucks. All right, we got 23 likes in here. Who's gonna support the channel with a little like? Who's gonna just click a little like button for me? Keep that Goggins mode going. I appreciate it, Aaron. It'll let me know. It'll say Aaron did or did not use your code. I'm gonna keep an eye out. So it'll bring you. I'll send you some good luck. Anyone who uses my discount code, just know I'm emanating good energy towards you. I'm sending you some good luck. All right, what's gonna happen here? What's gonna happen here? Basically, we got to 4403. We're calling out 4400 as a psychological level. Um, we had the break of this trend. We had an attempt to get higher, attempt to test the high again. I think we're gonna still try to reach that high. I'm not convinced we're just gonna go down. Not convinced. Not convinced. But if FX Aaron the GOAT says otherwise, I'm gonna believe him. All right, Aaron, sounds good. Sounds good. Wait, so can you use Rhythmic? I would just use Rhythmic if Trade Evade's giving you problems. Unless Rhythmic is only for the US. How old are you? How old are you, Aaron? I'm gonna take a guess. I'm gonna say you're 22. I'm gonna say you're 22. Let me know if I'm right or wrong. I was wrong. How old? One more try. 26. 26. 18. I knew it was young. I knew it was young. Had a feeling. Man, you're starting the day trading journey young. You got a head start. You got a head start. That's how we do it. Definitely take your time with it. Don't try to freaking throw all your money at it without doing a lot of back testing, a lot of small trading, a lot of chart analysis. Don't risk too much. Thomas. How old am I? Man, you gotta take a guess now too. How old do you think I am? How old do you think I am? $23? 23? Why? How would you guess 23, man? You know who this is? I'm as old as Mr. Clay Thompson. That's the hint I'll give you. No, I'm just kidding. You freaking got it on the money. I'm 23 exactly. How'd you know, man? $27 going on 40. I'm 23. I'm 23. Oh man, Thomas, you've been doing this for 2 years now? All right. You're a beast. I look pretty young. Well, I mean, you guessed it. You guessed it perfectly. I mean, I gained 2 years back when I shave my facial hair too. All right. We're stalling right now. We're going sideways, which happens after a significant move up. It's very common we have this where we have the break, we try to go higher, and we just end up working sideways for a little bit before eventually making a new high, which we might have here. I'm a get a long in right here if we keep going higher. All right, we're in the trade. So what I see here is that we had the low of this move. So we made a nice move down. We had a break. We had a new low. So I'm not convinced we're going lower. We have this uptrend going. We haven't tested a new high. We already had one leg up, one attempt to go higher failed. Another push above the EMA. Nice bullish bar signaling the bulls are still in the market. So can we get filled here? Nice little 1-point scalp. We need one more tick. Are we going to do it? Are we going to do it? One more tick. One more tick. Come on now. Can we do it? Can we do it? You want to change your life and your families because the economic situation is bad? Yeah, trading can do it, but take your time with it. Take your time with it. That's my suggestion. Don't rush it. Start slow, slow and steady, slow and steady. Volume dying on us a little bit, but it's about to pick up. It's about to pick up. We're gonna make another move up. We're gonna make another move up. Just watch. Just watch. Once again, we had the new low. One attempt to go lower, second attempt to go lower. Shorts are getting trapped right here. I'm hoping they are. I'm hoping we're going to push up. Can we push up? Can we push up, man? The volume is dying on us. The volume's going very slowly, but it looks like we're creeping up. Looks like we're creeping up. Good sign. There we go. Yeah, I got IG. I got IG. I got Discord. Discord in the link in the description. My Instagram is Munir_Kabara. I gotta start putting my Instagram in here too. But I don't have trading content yet on the Insta. Personal posts on the Insta right now. That's my Instagram right there. All right, we're 39 and 11, right? 39 and 11. How many people in the chat? Let me know. Let me know how many of those out there that this is your first time watching the stream. Whose first time is watching right now? I know a few of you. FX Aaron the GOAT. Is this your first time? Sniffer in Chief, first time? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. How'd you guys find the channel? That's what I want to know. I'm curious. Galeen? Yeah, we got some new viewers in here. I like it. Recommended by YouTube. All right. At least YouTube's recommending it. Let's go. Let's go. I have a scammer in Discord? Who? Who, Mahir? I appreciate it. I appreciate it, Aaron. The GOAT. That's why you the GOAT, man. Mumu4544? What? There's someone impersonating me? No, that is me. That is me. Mahir. A wild FX Aaron appeared in Discord. Oh, yeah, I do have a number. There's another. Oh, there is someone actually impersonating me? How can I kick him out? I mean, what are they saying to you? Okay, and man, this is why ideally I would have a runner in. Look at this move. Look at that beautiful move that unfortunately for this challenge we don't have a runner going. But that's what I saw, man. When you see a significant uptrend, you see the break, more than likely we're gonna have a test at the new high, and boom, we trapped a lot of short sellers right there. You're still in that runner, student Nguyen? That's how you do it, man. Congrats. Congrats. All right, I'll try to find him, Mahir. What do you mean he's copying trading? What do you mean he's copying trading? Oh, he's off. Oh, he's luring you in. All right, let me go freaking find him. You know what? I'm gonna go Goggins mode on him right now. I'm not playing about that. I'm gonna tear him to shreds if I can find him. All right, Richard Cachon. They just joined the Discord too. What's going on, YouTube chat? We're up to 40 viewers, baby. That's what I like to see. If you guys are new, if this is your first time watching, let me know in the chat. Mumu Trades, baby. Welcome in, welcome in. How we all doing? How we all doing? We got a lot of new viewers in here today. Welcome in. We're all here for this journey. We in here. Gayo Mwenya. That was clearly a continuation pattern. I mean, that's why I went long here. I think, honestly, now that we made a significant new high, it might be time to start working lower again. I mean, let's see. There might be a potential wider term trend at play, but I'm not convinced yet. This once again looked like a little exhaustion move to me. We trapped a lot of short sellers. Yeah, I try to trade every day. I'm a live stream every day. Aaron the GOAT. All right, Bill. All right, Bill. Good to see you. Peace out. Yeah, I'm streaming every day. Streaming every day. Every day market open. I don't see this guy in Discord though. I don't see another Mumu. Is he still in here? Alright, so if I had kept a runner, on my last trade, how many points would I at least have? 0.075. Not anything too crazy. I would have trailed it right here. So a little over 3 points, at least. Yeah, I know he can use a different screen name. That's what I'm saying. I don't know. I don't know how to find the guy. Yes, sir. New Yen. Great minds think alike. Honestly, if I were you, I would consider taking it out right now. Simply because I don't know how much more we can really go up. I don't know how sustainable this move up is really going to be. But let's take a look. Let's take a look. Can we fit a wider term uptrend? That's what I want to know. It's possible, but I'm not certain. But who knows? Maybe it is like this. Maybe we do have another two-tiered channel like this. What's going on, everyone? 42 viewers in here, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Welcome in anybody who's new once again. I keep repeating myself. We keep getting new viewers in here. Hell yeah. But going back to the 50K account challenge, we got 2 Apex accounts. We're live streaming every single day. And you guys are all here to witness what happens. All right, peace out, Aaron. Peace out. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow. And I already know you're gonna use my my Apex code. So we already agreed to that. Peace out. All right, peace. We're still in this. All right, at this point, Mr. New Yen, your runner is looking nice. I was thinking maybe you should take it out, but who knows? We might be in for another significant push up. Yeah, we're definitely having a big green day today. But who knows what might happen in the afternoon session. We might give it all back. All right, one account 51.6, one account just over 51. We got to start limiting these losses. Yup. Look at this move up. Oh my goodness. This market is angry. We want to make back all the red that we did over the past several weeks. That's what we're trying to do right now. This is the daily chart. Are you already past the target profit, New Yen? What do you mean you gotta lose 1K? You have to lose 1K so you don't gamble? What does that mean? Oh, they have 50% consistency rule? You can't make more than 50% of the profit target in a day? Really? I mean, I don't know much about Top Step. I didn't know that. That's weird. Yeah, why? Why is that a rule? So what happens if you make too much profit? Your profit target is 9K and you can't make 4.5K or else you need to make more money than 9K. That's very strange. That's very strange, my man. That's Top Step. All right, guys, I'm gonna end the stream right there. Almost 2 hours. This uptrend still looks strong. We'll see what happens in the afternoon session. But thanks everyone for tuning in. We'll see y'all tomorrow. If you guys want any more Apex accounts, if you guys want to use Replicando, trade multiple accounts, link in the description. Peace out. Rev, Galin, Nguyen. Have a good one. See you tomorrow. Like it up before you leave. Like it up before you leave. Suyog, strategy. I guess you gotta watch and find out tomorrow. We'll explain it tomorrow. But I mean, you can go over all the trades I took. I have a lot of videos. You can go over everything. Peace out. Hope to see you tomorrow, Suyog.